In the thrilling world of remote-controlled car racing, it's all about testing your skills and speed boundaries. But imagine experiencing the race without the gift of sight. For every distance and turn, you must rely on other senses to navigate the unknown.
My name is Daniele. Because I'm not allowed to drive normal cars, I decided to drive RC cars. It gives me the freedom to control a driving object. So before I needed help, someone has to say left, right, stop, go. My hopes are that I'm more independent while driving my RC car, that I have a safe system that guides me and lets me feel the speed of the car. The reason was to have people that are as crazy as I am to try to make it happen. Because normally you say, okay, RC car racing, blind people, but that's not possible. I think it's possible. I don't have the knowledge myself, but with other people, with the community, I think it should be possible.
My name is Jens.
My name is Anna.
My name is Leonie.
My name is Katrinada, and together we are
Team Daniele!
In this Assistive Technology course, we worked on a system to solve a specific challenge.
Our challenge really was to design an auditory system for a remote-controlled race car on a racetrack. And he wants to be able to do time races against people that can see.
So with our system, we introduce auditory feedback signals which compensate visual cues. It will allow Daniele to maneuver his car more easily and prevent him to crash into any obstacles.
Our system contains mainly of 3 sensors and 2 Arduinos.
Arduino is a platform consisting both of software and hardware, the hardware being a microcontroller. It allows data collection and transmission, and it is often used in interactive electronic projects.
The 3 sensors measure the distance to an object, and the first Arduino, which is connected to the 3 sensors, then sends this measurement data to the second Arduino.
The second Arduino should then be able to receive the measured distances and generate the sound, which would then be transferred using headphones to Daniele. So it really has a system that works by itself autonomously.
Our first prototype was a different car model. It was slower, it was smaller. We attached the sensors and the Arduino with lots of tape and cords, and it was all very improvised.
It was just important that we can verify our initial idea so that we can develop it into a final prototype and make it personalized for Daniele.
The way Daniele experienced the world is quite different from how we experience it.
I'm also the usability responsible, which means I have to try to find out how Daniele wants to use his product, how he wants the audio feedback to work, and which kind of inputs and outputs he needs to use it in a way which fits him the most. I'm also responsible for the coding part, which honestly I don't have a lot of experience in. I only did some coding in Python before in different courses, but not really in C++, which is required when coding on an Arduino. But with the help of forums, ChatGPT, colleagues, friends and our TAs, we finally managed to have some success.
During this project, I was responsible for the electrical engineering part, and I was also responsible for keeping time. So we didn't expect the finalizing steps to be this challenging and take this long. But luckily, out of our 14 weeks time resource, we planned 4 weeks buffer time. And with this 4 weeks buffer time, we were able to finish our project and to finalize the prototype.
We were all hoping to get somewhere where we actually reach the state of a prototype where we know that it will last Daniele a long time. So no matter how often he crashes, we really hope that it will be something that lasts, that will allow him to use it for years to come, hopefully, which is also why I am designing the protection. And I'm also responsible for the mechanical engineering part of the project. I had to use CAD to kind of control all the parts, which is something I haven't really done before. And actually, I learned a lot during this. So this is for the Arduino, so we can protect this. I'm actually really happy that they fit together so well. Yeah, and I'm really proud that this actually worked.
I think because we were all very excited and loved the challenge, that's how we got the results that we have now. As the one responsible for the video making and capturing all the moments, it was actually quite interesting to look back and see where we started and what progress we made. I was also managing our finances, which actually never really was an issue because together with the group, we always found a solution. All in all, it was just a really amazing experience and awesome challenge, and with this, we really hope to contribute to a more inclusive and accessible future for everyone.